Welcome. My name is Nicholas from the Office Superheroes channel. Today, in this short video tutorial, I'm going to walk you through how to change the column width in Excel. Let's go ahead and show you. As we already know, Excel offers us more than one solution to any task. This is also true when changing the column width in a spreadsheet. We will show you two ways in which we can change the column width. Let's demonstrate the first way. Let's place the cursor over the right edge of the column whose width we need to change. Once we do, the cursor will turn into a double-headed arrow. Let's left-click and drag the arrow to adjust the width of the column as needed. As we drag, the current column width value will be displayed in the window. This will let us know the numerical value of the column. Let's demonstrate the second way. If we know the exact width to be entered, we click on the column in which we want to change the width. For example, we choose this column. We right-click on the column. We will be presented with a window of options. We choose column width. A pop-up window will appear. We enter the numeric values we want the column width to change according to. If we have the values entered, click OK. This way we can change the width of multiple columns at once. What do you say? It was a piece of cake though? Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful to you. If so, let us know via comment or like. If you are interested in other videos on how to quickly learn how to work with Excel, in that case, don't forget to subscribe.